everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. The 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road gets some athletic performance specs, like a 278 horsepower, 3.5 liter V6 engine, a 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence. We have that TRD tuned off-road suspension with Bilstein shocks. We have a multi-terrain select with crawl control. You also get a 6,400 pound towing capacity. Here on the exterior, we have projector beam headlights with turn daytime running lights and integrated wide angle fog lights. We have a 16-inch machined contrast alloy wheels with off-road Goodyear Wrangler tires. We have that fiber reinforced sheet molded composite inner bed with steel outer panels, storage compartments, and rail caps. Also available is a power sliding rear window with privacy glass, and you get over 60 inches of bed in the back. Here on the interior, we have a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. We have a 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen with Entune Audio Premium with integrated navigation. You get the QI-compatible wireless smartphone and mobile device charger. We have Bluetooth wireless technology with Siri Eyes Free. We're Scout GPS Link compatible. We have 6 speakers, an auxiliary port, a USB media port, advanced voice recognition, and hands-free phone capability. And you get up to 57.5 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road also gets Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Toyota Tacoma, the TRD Off-Road might be perfect for everything you like to do. So come on out of Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeen.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.